How to deal with anger. Father, paano ko ba aalisin ang galit sa buhay ko? That's a very good question. And I receive that question very often. And to tell you honestly, it has always been my struggle in my life to remove anger. I admit, I confess, I am also a very angry person. Then, now, I have learned to deal with my anger. I have learned to discipline my anger. I learned to temper my anger. And I think a lot of us would want to know how. Paano ko ba makokontrol ang aking galit? Well, the first thing that we should know is we should understand this experience that we call anger. Because anger is a very general feeling. It is a very general word that we use in this very negative experience. No? Napakalawak po itong salitang galit. Palagi nating ginagamit, pero hindi natin matuntun ano ba ang ibig sabihin. Pag naintindihan na natin kung ano itong galit, maaaring maiintindihan natin ang ating sarili at malalaman natin paano natin